We are also following breaking news right now from Capitol Hill in the Senate's latest effort to kill Obamacare. Republicans could only afford to lose one more vote, and tonight it appears they've lost it. All of this as hundreds of protesters worried about losing their health insurance packed the hallways of the Capitol. There were many arrests. ABC's Mary Bruce on Senator Collins tonight, who now says no. So is the effort dead? Mary's back on the Hill.
With protests mounting tonight, the Republican health care bill appears doomed to fail. Late word tonight, Maine Senator Susan Collins says she is a no, making her the third senator to come out against the bill. The Republicans tonight do not have the votes. The dramatic move comes after opposition to the Republican health care bill came roaring through the halls of Capitol Hill.
No cuts to Medicaid!
Anger and frustration boiling over. Today's hearing had just begun when the cries rang out.
If you want a hearing, you better shut up.
And outside, chaos.
Move against the wall right now! Move against the wall right now!
Protester after protester hauled off and arrested, many in wheelchairs. This man physically dragged out.
People have been lining up here for hours, and check this out. This is just the beginning. It goes on as far as you can see.
Pam Willis came all the way from Wyoming. She says this bill is a matter of life or death for her daughter.
What's the message that you want lawmakers to hear from you and from everybody else in this line?
Be human, care about insurance for everyone, not just yourselves or your relatives. Care about everyone, even the poor.
Opponents of the bill, like Senator John McCain, have called for an open and bipartisan process. But this is the one and only public hearing on the latest plan. The witness list, mostly government officials, not average Americans.
It's a fraud. It's a fake. It's just a facade. They don't want us to testify. They don't want us to be here.
Earlier today, even the president seemed to acknowledge defeat.
We have 52 votes, so we can't lose any votes. I mean, practically. So we're going to lose 2 or 3 votes, and that's the end of that.
Bottom line, Mary Bruce live on the Hill. Mary, first of all, does this appear to be dead, this effort tonight? And we also know they've been trying to do this for 7 years. The Republican Party has. They wanted to do this with a simple majority. Now that will no longer be an option?
Well, David, right now this bill is going nowhere, which means if Republicans want to overhaul Obamacare, they're likely going to have to work with Democrats. They're now going to need 60 votes. Even after all this time, Republicans still can't agree on a path forward. The divides within the Republican Party seem simply too deep right now for them to fulfill their signature promise to the American people. David.
All right, Mary. Now it becomes a test for both parties moving forward.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.